Hi there, I'm Professor Dale Warren, and this is a study on junior high teaching methods. It's a lecture on teaching methods for the Bachelor of Theology and Bible degree for Jan Hus Institute in Biblical Studies, USA. And so, let's get right into the topic, which is junior high teaching methods. Teaching junior high students in a Sunday school setting comes with its unique challenges and opportunities. This age group, typically 11 to 14, is characterized by rapid emotional and cognitive development. As they transition from childhood into adolescence, they begin to think critically and seek to understand their identity and beliefs more deeply. Consequently, the teaching methods employed in Sunday school must be engaging, relevant, and adaptable to meet their developmental needs. In this exploration of effective teaching methods, we will discuss various techniques that can enhance learning and spiritual growth among junior high students. These methods include interactive learning, storytelling, group work, multimedia integration, application activities, and fostering personal connections. 1. Interactive learning. Interactive learning is one of the most effective ways to engage junior high students. This approach involves active participation from students in their learning process, moving away from traditional lecture-based instruction. Teachers can facilitate discussions where students share their thoughts and opinions on biblical texts or moral dilemmas. Using questions that stimulate reflection encourages students to think critically about their beliefs. For example, a teacher might start a lesson on forgiveness by asking, "What does forgiveness mean to you?" Or you could ask a question, "Do you remember when someone forgave you? How did it make you feel?" Now, students can share personal experiences, leading to a rich discussion that connects scriptural teachings to real-life situations. This method not only enhances understanding, but also invites students to take ownership of their own learning. Number 2 is storytelling. Humans are naturally drawn to stories. Thus, storytelling is a powerful teaching tool in a Sunday school setting. Biblical narratives often provide moral lessons and reveal more important values. By narrating these stories with enthusiasm and creativity, teachers can captivate junior high students' attention. To make storytelling effective, teachers can incorporate drama, role-playing, or visual aids. For instance, when teaching the story of David and Goliath, a teacher might invite students to act out the scene, allowing them to step into the character's shoes. This immersive experience helps students grasp the underlying lessons, such as courage and faith, while making the lesson enjoyable. Number 3, group work. Collaborative learning through group work fosters a sense of community and belonging among students. In a junior high school Sunday school class, teachers can assign small groups to work on projects or discussions or presentations. This encourages teamwork and helps students develop social skills while learning from each other's perspectives. For example, after studying a passage from the Bible, groups can be tasked with presenting their interpretation of the text. They can create visual aids, skits, or multimedia presentations to share their insights with the rest of the class. This not only enhances comprehension, but also cultivates leadership skills and strengthens relationships among peers. Multimedia integration, number 4. Incorporating multimedia tools such as videos, music, and interactive apps can enrich the learning experience for junior high students. Multimedia presentations can capture their attention and cater to diverse learning styles. Visual aids can help illustrate complex concepts and make biblical teachings more acceptable. For instance, a teacher might use a video clip to introduce a lesson on kindness, followed by a discussion about what being kind looks like in their daily lives. Music can also play a role, as contemporary worship songs resonate with his age group and can lead to discussions about their meanings and teachings. Using technology in the classroom not only engages students, but also prepares them for a tech-savvy world. Number 5, application activities. Helping students apply biblical teachings in their daily lives is crucial for reinforcing learning. Application activities encourages them to translate lessons into real-world action, making spirituality relevant. Teachers can design service projects, community outreach, or mission-inspired tasks that align with the lessons taught. For example, after learning about the importance of helping others, teachers can organize a food drive or volunteer at a local charity. By taking actionable steps, they experience the joy and fulfillment of living out their faith. This hands-on approach not only solidifies their understanding, but also fosters a sense of responsibility toward their community. Number 6, flexibility. Flexibility in teaching methods is essential when working with junior high students. Each class may have a different dynamic, and being adaptable to their interests and energy levels is crucial. For instance, if students express a desire to discuss a particular topic or ask questions about current events, a teacher can pivot the lesson to accommodate those needs. Number 7, personal connections. Building personal connections with students is vital for effective teaching in a Sunday school setting. Junior high students are at an age where they seek affirmation and understanding. When teachers share their experiences and insights, it creates a bond of trust and openness. Encouraging students to share their own experiences fosters a sense of community. For example, after discussing a biblical theme like love, students can reflect on their own relationships and how they practice love in their lives. This approach invites vulnerability and deepens connections within the classroom. So in conclusion, the choice of teaching method significantly impacts student learning outcomes. Effective educators often blend different methods to create a dynamic learning environment that caters to the needs of all students. Planning lessons with diverse teaching strategies in mind can lead to more effective and engaging learning experiences. And so I am your host and your old pal, Papa Dale, Dr. Dale Warren. And that is the conclusion for this particular study on junior high teaching methods for the Bachelor of Theology and Bible for the Jan Hus Institute in Biblical Studies. So more videos are coming. So until then, until you see me in the next video, keep in mind that I will be praying for you, and that you will be well, and that you will be blessed.